here to introduce our app called iLearn. Visually impaired children in India today are conquering many advanced fields of knowledge with great conviction. The right kind of education and training can help them become capable members of society. E-learning has become a valuable tool for learners in today's learning landscape. Approximately 45 million people worldwide lack the functional vision to read from a computer screen. Therefore, while creating e-learning courses, the course creator should improve web interfaces for screen reader access and comply with design standards such as Web Content Accessibility Guidelines. iLearn. We have come up with an app, iLearn, that lists all apps, online tools, system tools, resources that are available to make learning more accessible for visually impaired students. It also includes guidelines and videos to ease the use of these resources. One section of the app focuses on e-learning designers, teachers, mentors, which lists the tools that can be used to make learning resources or content more accessible for visually impaired. One section of the app focuses on mentors of visually impaired who help visually impaired students. This lists tools, apps, and online resources that the mentor or the visually impaired can use to access the e-learning material effectively. We have created a course in Articulate Rise 360 platform that allows web content accessibility guidelines, following all guidelines and using resources and online tools available to make the course accessible. We shared our app with users and asked them to use the tools listed in the app to go to an e-learning content and check the course's accessibility. Most of them gave us very positive feedback. There are many apps in the market that help with only one task: to make courses available for visually impaired, for example, screen reader. However, we couldn't find any app in which all the resources are listed. The app is only particularly accessible for visually impaired, and they may require a mentor initially when they use it. In the project's phase, we will make our app more accessible for the visually impaired